Why notifications matter for financial goals.
1. App notifications are powerful tools that can keep your financial progress on track. By sending reminders about bills, savings, or spending, these alerts help you stick to your budget and stay focused on your goals. Learning how to customize notifications in your budgeting app makes it easier to stay consistent and avoid financial slips.
Setting up notifications in your budgeting app.
Most budgeting apps let you control which notifications you receive. Visit your app's settings, find the notifications section, and choose alerts that fit your financial needs, like reminders for bill payments, low balances, or going over budget. Adjust frequency and timing so alerts reach you when they're most helpful.
Using reminders for bill payments.
Enable bill payment reminders to avoid missed due dates and late fees. Many apps let you input recurring bills and will notify you before each payment. Use these reminders to double-check your balance or set aside funds in advance so you're never caught off guard by an unexpected expense.
Tracking spending with real-time alerts.
Stay aware of your day-to-day spending by turning on real-time transaction alerts. These notifications instantly inform you of new purchases or withdrawals. This helps you catch unauthorized transactions quickly and keeps you mindful of your spending limits, which is crucial for reaching your monthly budgeting targets.
Staying motivated with goal progress notifications.
Progress notifications help celebrate small wins and keep you motivated to save. Set up alerts for when you add money to a savings goal or reach a milestone. These positive reminders reinforce good habits, making the journey to your financial goals more satisfying and easier to manage.